It's the curls. I need the curls. Imagine it like that type. See, that would look better.
I got Corona. Said she don't got him and shorty said she alone. I would've gave him all her, but I ain't a donor. When I seen her the first time, I said I want her. You a bad chick and she staying Fashion Nova.
Hey guys, it's Naya back with another fire video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Naya. You should subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? How y'all been? I'm always filming late at night. It is 11:45. My birthday is in 15 minutes. Like, Gemini, y'all know the vibes. Y'all can tell by my two personalities. Okay. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a wig install. I'm doing this because like I'm not gonna glue it down. I'm not gonna use actual glue, but I'm gonna still glue it down. Okay, let's just start. The hair is by Luxurious. Good quality, fast shipping, all that. I got this wig off of Aliexpress and I'm gonna include what it looks like. It came very fast. The customer service girl, you know, because they be in China, low-key. The customer service was really good, actually. When I was talking to the customer service, I think this is a T-part wig. If it is, oh well, I don't really care. But if it isn't, then that's great. So in the box, we have the hair and then came with a wig cap. So let's take the hair out. So this the hair. Yo, this hair is mad soft. Like, do y'all see that? Tangle free. This is a T-part wig. I knew it was gonna be. Like, what the heck is this? Like, I could only party here, but then it's lace. This is not gonna fit my head. I'm not in the mood to be dealing with this right now. What did I get? What did I get? I don't know if I'm gonna be looking like a baddie or what. If y'all haven't seen my other hair videos, I did one hair install on a synthetic wig and I did another hair video, but I'm gonna link it in the cards for y'all to see. Go check that out, respectfully. I did my thing on that first wig install, but I really don't know how I'm gonna do this. I ain't bleaching it or nothing. I'm just going straight in. Do I need a pluck? I might have to pluck low-key, right? It say pre-pluck, but I don't know what it's giving right now. I was gonna pluck it a little bit, but I'm just not going to anymore because it's very unnecessary right now. See, this is the part I was dreading. Let me put on my wig cap before y'all just violate me even more. The wig cap is on, but I don't know if I should use this wig cap though. I'm looking wacky-dotty. So we're gonna put some powder. This was in my last video. I have foundation now, but I don't want to put foundation. Maybe I should. This powder will do. I don't know how it's gonna look. Let's just try with some foundation real quick. Just put a dot. We might have to use this instead. I'm going back to the powder. This is giving me the same color because this is gonna seep through. This don't match either, but at least I feel like with this one it's like lighter because it's powder. The foundation I feel like it's seeping into my hair and I don't like that. Even though this is probably seeping in as well, and really I only need powder because it's the middle part, so let's just go like that. Now since we kind of like protected our hair, let's just get a glimpse of what this will look like fresh out the box. They gave me some elastic bands in the bag. Last time I didn't use the elastic bands because my head is too big. With this, like, these elastic, this is gonna break. Nah, I'm not using this. I know it's supposed to be secure, but it's not making me feel secure right now. So, by the way, it is 12 o'clock. Like, it's really my birthday. Like, hold on. It's my birthday and I'm over here stressing. Girl, I should be in that bed. Now y'all know I got a big head, so I'm gonna let y'all know if it's big head friendly or not. Oh, well, there goes my review. Yo, what? Nah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting too bold with the wigs. Hold on, give me a brush. First of all, this middle part is not it. What the? This is mad thin. Like, this is not giving me bundles. How many bundles we put in this? 2? Like, I mean, it's fake long. No, it's not. I think I got 22 inches. Mostly because I ain't want to spend too much money. I ain't gonna lie. We might have to put some curls in this. I'm gonna have the same problem as before. I can see it already. Look at that. I forgot. Put powder on your wig cap, of course. I'm about to install it with it still being that beige color. Like, put some powder on that. And I already sprayed it with some gossipy gel, so it's all sticky now. What the fuck is this? Why was this on my... Alright, they about to get sued, respectfully. Yo, when they make these wigs, I don't know whose head they have in mind. Granted, I do got a big head for real, like for real, but nah, son, this is not it. I was gonna install it with gossipy glue and then spray some spray on top. I think I'm gonna do that. I see where they was going with this, but like I said, I'm a big-headed girl. I I don't know who they thought this was gonna fit. I should ask for a bigger wig cap. So yet again, I might just really be focusing on the front parts and not worrying about the sides. I need to like get it together, but you know, it's cool. Nobody's really seeing all of that. To control these flyaways, I put got to be originally, but I'm just gonna put some mousse because it's really like starting to become a problem. I just want it out of my face like that. I know I'm not gonna glue the whole thing down anyway, but I'm gonna just cut some slits so when I glue it, it'll be kind of easier. Is that a good idea? Probably not, but who cares? So we're gonna start with the middle slit because that's the most important. I'm gonna take some Got2b gel and I'm going to lift this up a little bit like that. Oh! Ow! The combs is bothering me. Plus I got on long nails, so this is just not it for me. Oh no, it's already trying to stick to other places. My forehead is not built for this, bro. This is not gonna stick. Okay, I'm gonna put the blow dry on cool.
12 seconds later.
Bro, it's fucking lifting, bro. I don't know what to do. I'm already annoyed. It didn't even stay on. Nah, we just gonna use Got2b. So forget the gel. We're just gonna use the spray because I seen a girl do that. Look at me struggling. Look at me struggling over here. It looks like it's glued on, but I know it won't be like that. It's just not giving. Like, y'all know when something is not giving? If I pull this side down, this side is gonna lift up. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. Push through and persevere. Tip, as long as your middle part look good, they can't tell you nothing. I'm gonna just spray it another time. Ooh, it's feeling crunchy. I'm gonna have to take some rubbing alcohol for that real soon. I know it's not even gonna stay right here, so I don't even know why I'm wasting my time spraying. I'm gonna pull out some baby hairs now. I don't even know how to do baby hairs, bro. I'm pulling out baby hairs, forget it. Because last time that was a disaster. I already know it's not fitting on the sides because I can see my actual hair. So I got an elastic band. Got this off of Amazon, I think. Yo, I love that I actually want to believe I know what I'm doing when I don't. So we're just gonna put the elastic band on. Dude, I can't even put the elastic band on right. Like, that's how tough this is. I'm really showing y'all the truth. They don't want to show y'all this in the videos, but that's why I'm showing it to y'all. They be cutting this part out. I'm gonna cut it out too, low-key. I let this sit for like 10 minutes, I think. You could tell how tight this is because my eyes are looking Chinese and I don't even look like that on a regular. So let's take this off. I need some assistance. Like, to cut the lace, I'm gonna use an eyebrow razor. So I know once I cut it, I'm gonna have to probably spray it again. So to get it from sticking, because you see the hair, now the hair is stuck to the lace. So I'm gonna just take some rubbing alcohol and put it on a cotton pad so it can lift up. Ow, I'm cutting myself. Okay, first of all, it's all on my skin. Like, we're gonna get it together. I'm gonna cut some more off real quick. I'm using scissors now because I can't with the razor. My nails are too long. So that way when I glue it down, bitch! I'm not gonna lie, I might just leave the lace like this on the side. Now, what I'm gonna do is go back in with some spray again, and I'm gonna use the end of a rat tail comb. Yo, it's on my eyebrow. Yeah, I cut myself there. When I tell you this is burning like OD, not me trying to make this into a frontal when it's not even fitting my head. Say body your edges, cause they gonna be going. I'm trying to loosen up like where I put like the Got2b because it's kind of like mad hard.
What is that?
I don't know if you can hear that, but it's hard as a rock. I'm not feeling like how I'm looking right now. Now, I dead don't know why some of y'all are subscribed to me because the stuff I be going through is cray. I promise you, nobody else on YouTube will go through this but me. It's ridiculous. And y'all like really live for it though. So I'm not gonna do baby hairs. Let me show y'all some. Pretend this is the baby hairs, right? And just say I swoop it like that. My baby hairs will look like this. Like, I'm looking like a crackhead.
He needs some milk.
I hate wigs, bro. What did they use for this? It's not coming out. I gotta pluck it out. Like, yo, hold the up, cause what? Okay, you just gotta comb through the glue. Why is it so flat? Like, I'm trying to fix this part, but damn. There we go. I'm just trying to get this to act right. And they don't want to. Look at me trying to pluck. I don't even know what I'm plucking though. Bro, this is my synthetic hair and my synthetic wig video looked better than this. Like, I might as well order from that company again because at least I was looking at least a little good in those wigs. I don't even care how this install look anymore. I don't care what y'all say. I don't care if y'all send this to y'all friends. I don't care. Send it to them. What am I going through right now? I'm just stressed. It don't even need to be hot combed. Like, that's how straight it is. And these baby hairs or a curl or something. Like, y'all let me know what it's giving y'all. After this video, I'm done with wigs. Like, this wig has no volume. Like, I need some I'm looking like Tina Turner. I'm gonna use some powder on this part. Oh shit. Oh my god. Now this shit is burning my bed. Like, I gotta go to sleep. I gotta sleep on this because it's smoking. Hold on, it's up too high for real. What's going on in the back? All right, spray some heat protectant. I sprayed it all in my eye. I'm using this as a flat iron. Like, what is on my head right now? I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Imagine it with the curls. See, the curls is what's gonna get the look, and even without the makeup, it's the curls. I need the curls. It definitely needs curls. Like, look at this. Imagine it like that type. See, that would look better. So tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna put some curls in it, have my makeup done because I'm gonna be going out, and I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's my birthday today. It's June 18th. I meant to record this before I left out so y'all could see how the curls look when I first did it, but I forgot. So I'm doing it now that I'm home. Basically, you know, the curls dropped, of course. It's kind of better on this side, but on this side it just dropped completely. So it definitely looks better with the curls. Don't mind the install. Y'all know how it go with me. Overall, I did like the hair. It's really mad soft. Even with curls in it, it's still soft. It's just when it's straight, it looks so flat on my head, and I already have a big head, so it doesn't flatter me. It doesn't make me look right. But I do like the wig, and I do like the color. The color is really cute. It's like highlighted blonde brown hair. It's really cute. If y'all do like how the wig looks and want to try it out, I'm gonna have the link in the description for y'all to try, see if you want to get it, see if you like it. If you really know how to install wigs, you could definitely install it way better than I ever could have imagined. So I would definitely recommend getting this hair for real. It's definitely a good purchase, and it's not that expensive. But other than that, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you guys are notified the next time I post and you don't miss a video. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. I'm out.